Hello guys, alright, so I'm going to introduce new feature, a new module of RepairBuddy, which helps you to arrange or schedule appointments with your customers. So basically here you can see all your appointments, and here you can also see the appointments in calendar form. And if you just want to see appointments, you can filter them within the calendar. And if you want to see only appointments assigned to you or your technician, you can just filter your assigned appointments, and you will see it like this. Or how you can add new appointments: first of all, you can just simply go here and click on this and select your customer. Like once you select a customer, all their jobs will be loaded, and then you can select a technician who will attend this appointment, then select the time frame if that technician is available for that time slot. What is the type of appointment: come to store, or let us pick your device, or whatever. And then you schedule your appointment like this. And within job screen, you can also go here in estimates, and here you can add appointments within estimate. So you can easily add appointments to work on an estimate. Similarly, you can do that within jobs. While you are working on a job, if you have to set up an appointment with your customer, you can just go here and add a new appointment. When customer creates a booking like this, if they are booking their phone and if they are booking their Apple device, let's say iPhone 8, here they will select the option service they need. Then they will select the option they want. They are saying that let us pick your device, they want a pickup, and here they will select the time and the date and time, and this will be this will set the appointment for your customer and also estimate. So this, and you can also print an appointment going here, so easily it can be handed over to your technician or whomever you want to assign that appointment. So I hope this is a useful feature. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.